ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ?
ಸರ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಸರ್.
ಯಾಕೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ?
ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಅದು
ನೀವಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತು
ಯಾಕೆ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ? Why did you not obey the orders of the court?
ಸರ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್.
Yes.
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅಂತ?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತು.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಸೆನ್ಸ್?
ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವಾಗ?
ನಾಳೆನೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಇದು?
Your lordship, it is in Virajapet.
Where is it?
Kushal Nagara.
I will direct departmental inquiry to be initiated against you. You are behaving too much. How can he say he is not going to obey the orders of the court despite being present yesterday?
And if he called me and
Order ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತು.
ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೋ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಈಗ.
ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
You are a government servant?
Yes.
We will direct all that to be entered into your service record. ಯಾವ ಕೇಡ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 1 ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನಲ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು?
ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್.
ಅದು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. First of all, you don't know the law, how to register a complaint, how to conduct a search. That itself is enough to initiate departmental inquiry against you, and you are disobeying the orders of the court that is granted yesterday in your presence.
in fact, if you had asked me yesterday, think give me in writing, I would have sent a letter. He did not ask.
No,
for
he was
yesterday.
here.
He was here. I told him, and today morning he comes and says there is no order, therefore I will not open.
Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವಾಗ?
ನಾಳೆನೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 10:00 ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. Yes.
May I submit one aspect, my lords? Now kindly see how it happens on page
All
number
right.
29.
Let him do it tomorrow.
No,
Right?
my lords, I
Yes,
have
sir.
strong objection to his conduct, my lords. This cannot be
That
gone.
we'll see
But
later,
this-
sir. First,
Sir, my
first let it be
Your
open.
lordship, 21.
Sir,
Five-
1 minute.
Please,
Don't come in the way of the implementation of the order that I've already passed.
He done.
Tomorrow,
my lords.
tomorrow it will be done.
Basically,
Or the, what's your name?
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆನಂದ್.
Doctor?
ಆನಂದ್.
Anand.
Dr. Anand, who filed or registered the complaint, was present before the court on 17/12/2024, and in his presence, the following order is passed, directing him to a particular action as observed in the order. The said doctor is again present today without complying the order dated 17/12/2024 on the specious plea that the order was not available to him. It was as observed here in above, it is passed in his presence, and he has wantonly disobeyed the order of the court. Therefore, it is a case where a departmental inquiry is to be instituted against the said doctor, not only for this reason, but for registering complaint contrary to law despite the knowledge of how it's to be passed. Less said the better about the conduct of this doctor while registering the complaint. Be that
Not registering the complaint
No, no,
at the time of conducting a.
less said the better about the doctor at the time of conduct of the search, as the news is circulated on WhatsApp about the search, and the search
On 21
happens
5.
and such happens at a later point in time. Therefore, the order dated 17/12/2024 shall stand complied by 12 p.m. tomorrow. In the event it is not, this court could unleash the coercive arm of law against the doctor.
May I also make one humble request, my lords? Now, as far as the allegation, entire allegation, even as per this is, my lords, that in the computer system, it is not there, is what they say, my lords. The document, the F
ಅವ್ರು
form is
freeze
there.
ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ,
My lords,
ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ.
number 21 5 in the.
If less said the better about them,
Please,
the
please.
same applies to
No, my
you,
lord, from
because you have also not kept anything in order.
everything is on.
No,
I
ಅಲ್ಲ,
have produced
ನೋಡೋಣ.
yesterday.
ನಾಳೆ
No, my lord, what
ತೆಗಿತಾರಲ್ಲ,
it is in the computer-
what's the problem in getting
Not
documents
opened
out?
since 21 5, my lords.
It's all right,
No-
yes. ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ ನಾಳೆ.
Please, my lord.
When you have no license under allopathy, why did you store so many drugs?
27.
No, 1, 2, okay. Huge stock of allopathic drugs.
ಪೂಜಿಲ್ಲ ತಾವು ಒಮ್ಮೆ
ಯಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಬನ್ನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗ 30 ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 17
Come to page 27.
27
Yes, sir.
precisely.
Yes.
But out of 30 items, 17 items are creams and ointments, which don't require any prescription. Only 13 my lords are portable medicines.
ಹಾ,
My lords, that would I have counted.
28, 29,
Yes, my lords. ಅದು 17
30 ಐಟಮ್ ಇದೆ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 13 items, only 13 items are portable tablets.
ನೋ ನೋ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, I've counted it myself. 17 are creams and ointments.
Creams and ointments,
Yes.
many of them are, there are derivatives of paracetamol and in anti-inflammatory.
But which may not require prescription. Which may not
No,
prescribe.
no, they may be over-the-counter tablets, but that does not mean Unani Ayurveda should stock all this.
No, there is one more my lords aspect to it.
Mm.
Lords, may I just draw my lord's kind attention to page 24. What the Panchayat also says, the Panchayat had rented out this premises to the doctor for free. My lords, the Panchayat certifies my lords that he was carrying on a bona fide, my lords, pro bono practice. He was not even charging.
Bono,
ಹೌದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, if my lords were to see page 24. So the element of sale is absent here. But the element of sale is absent here. And then my lords,
ನೀವು
Punjab,
rules ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್, facts ಹೇಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, on facts ಅಲ್ಲೇ state
Yes,
enact-
Jagdish.
We issued a notice, my lord, once the search has been conducted, asking the explanation, asking for explanation.
Explanation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ?
ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಸೀಸ್
ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ.
He says, my lord, it is true when you visited there was a holding of stock of allopathic drugs, which I don't have any license.
My lords, may I just pass on this judgment, my lords, it may have
It's all
some.
right, we have said you have no license.
My lords, I have no
Admitted.
license. I have no license. But
Well, admitted.
no, I have, my lord, I cannot deny that fact. The only, my lords, issue that I would urge my lords to consider, my lords, is the quantum of the medicine seized. Quantum, my lords, is, I would say, my lords, nowadays, in any, even a common man's house, my lords, where there are 5 individuals, if my lords would check if these number of medicines. would
Then
be
you are
found.
saying like old patient is better than a new doctor. Yes.
13 very, my lords, only 13 are prescriptive drugs.
Mm.
And my lords, question is, my lords, whether that would, my lords, tantamount to an offense under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act. If my lords were to consider this judgment, my lords, for a moment.
Mm.
And my lords, the element of sale is absent here. Complaint allu ellu illa, my lords, and the Panchayat also, my lords, they say that, my lords, I'm carrying on a pro bono practice.
Pro bono. The petitioner is before this court calling in question proceedings in CC 1929 of 2023 registered for offence so and so. The fulcrum of the allegation against the petitioner is storage of allopathic drugs, notwithstanding the fact that the petitioner has a license or is a Unani, Ayurveda and Siddha doctor. The search led to seizure of certain stock. The seizure is appended to the petition. The perusal at the items that are seized, i.e. the allopathic medicine, most of which are local applications. They are anti-inflammatory or identical to those that would not necessarily need a license.